How would you like to have three brand new income streams that all make use of AI in order to get you set up to do stuff that takes about 5 minutes or less to do, and it's going to make you tons and tons of money? If that sounds interesting, stay tuned because I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of AI Coloring Book Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, yeah, I tell stale jokes every single day, day in and day out, over and over again. And I should probably get myself some new lines. Maybe I could spend some of that money I'm making from affiliate marketing and hire a comic to make new lines. Interesting idea. But anyway, seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart was the original in this whole thing. He's been joined by a bunch of his friends who keep talking about crap. Bart, nobody wants the crap. I gotta get new lines. You get some new lines too, okay? Seriously, it's enough. That drives me crazy. Seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like the product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. That nice to you, Liz. She is such a sweetheart. I love this lady. She always says the same things, but she's so nice. Who can get angry at her? Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so let's find out the sales page for AI Coloring Books Empire. Now, this is from my friend Alessandro. Alessandro has always come up with really cool ideas for making money online that involve making actual products that people actually want. Now, basically what he's going to do is show you how to use a few different AI products to instantly create these kinds of coloring book images. And he's going to show you exactly how to sell these things as well. So you can sell them on places like Amazon Kindle, or Nook. You go sell them on Fiverr. He's going to show you all that kind of stuff. I mean, we're going to take a look at them everything in just a second. But before I do, I want to tell you about my custom bonus. So one thing that I noticed in Alessandro's course is he's going to say, go ahead and outsource having a cover made. I don't want you to outsource having a cover made. I want you to do it yourself, literally in about 60 seconds. I'm going to show you 2 free resources that you can use to instantly create covers for your coloring books that are going to be perfect looking, with a mock-up, the whole 9 yards, brand new, ready to roll, and you're going to have that right away. I've done tons of these, and it literally takes me about less than a minute to make each one. All right, it's super easy, won't cost you a penny for anything. I'm going to show you how to do that completely for free. But I don't want to stop there. I also want to give you my exclusive list of over 30 different marketplaces that you can sell this kind of stuff on. So you're not going to be limited to just selling on Kindle or on Fiverr or whatever. I'm going to give you dozens of marketplaces that you can sell this kind of content, that you can make more money. So you're not going to be stuck with a lot of competition. Now, that alone would probably make it worth the $17 price of admission for this. But of course, anybody who knows me knows that I never settle for giving you something that is good enough. I always go the extra mile. So I've just put together 2 brand new video courses. Both of these involve a combination. Well, one of them is just ChatGPT. One of them is a combination of ChatGPT with a couple of other AI products that I will show you in the video. Both of these videos are going to come with PLR rights, so you can sell them, you can give them away, you can use them as your own bonus, rebrand them, put your own name on it. Obviously, I'm the one presenting it, so you can use my name as well. Say it's created by Eric Hammer, by the man of the hat, by a six-figure marketer. So you're going to be able to do all of that. But I want to actually show you the value of the two courses that I'm giving you. So the first one is going to be all about how to make resumes literally in 60 seconds flat. Okay, professional quality resumes. There is a particular trick to doing this. What's nice is you don't have to know anything about writing a resume. That's what's really, really cool. I'm going to give you the prompts you need for ChatGPT, but even more importantly than the prompts you need for ChatGPT, I'm also going to give you the questionnaire that you need to give your customers in order to get them to give you the information you're going to need to feed in so you can actually get ChatGPT to create a perfect resume for you. That's really, really important because without this stuff, you're not going to get a quality resume for your customers. Your customers are going to complain. You're not going to get any money. But check this out. I went out to Fiverr just to check the pricing. Look at this. $55, $75, $140, $350 in order to have a resume done for you. Okay, and you can literally write a resume, a professional quality resume for a customer using nothing but ChatGPT and another free tool I'm going to show you. Okay, there is another free tool you're going to want to use in order to make it look nice and professional looking. The ChatGPT will give you the content, but then you want to format it. I'm going to show you another tool that you can use to format it completely for free. So you're going to give them a professionally formatted resume in a Word format as well as in a PDF format. You're going to send that to your customers as well. It'll take another 30 seconds to paste it all in and get it ready using this completely free tool. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And you're going to be able to make anywhere from $55 to $350, okay, for writing a resume for customers. Now, another thing that I personally have been doing a lot of lately, I actually decided to start a second business. So completely unrelated to my affiliate marketing business, I am now also selling life and health insurance here in these great United States. I have started another website. I've started a new YouTube channel for it. And so what I've been doing is I've been populating my YouTube channel with useful videos, where it's basically I provide useful content, and I want to make sure they look professional, obviously, because if it doesn't look professional, doesn't sound professional, nobody's going to want to buy insurance from me. Nobody's going to say, hey, Eric, you seem like a nice guy. They don't know who I am. They want to know, do you know what you're talking about? So, of course, I could go ahead and sit here for hours recording myself doing these videos. I know everything there is to know about health insurance and life insurance. I could sit here doing it for hours, or I could use a few AI tools to make them in under 5 minutes flat. And that's what I've been doing. Okay, literally, I've made my all of this stuff while I'm working on something else. It's like I just have it running in the background. And I literally, the active time I spend on it, under 5 minutes. And that's probably most of that time is me actually reading the script to make sure the script is accurate, because ChatGPT doesn't always give you an accurate script. So I go ahead and I actually read through the script and I make changes as needed to make sure that whatever information ChatGPT has fed me in the script is actually something that's going to be accurate. So I've literally gone through it and actually made those changes, and that's most of the 5 minutes that I'm spending actively on this. Otherwise, I just have it running in the background while I'm doing something else, while I'm recording this video. In fact, I have it running in the background, making me a video for my YouTube channel. If I'm pulling a client of mine in my insurance business, I will literally have something running in the background where I'm making a video while I'm talking to a customer, because I don't have to actually do anything with it. It's just running in the background, making the video for me, all done through AI systems. There's 3 different systems that I use that make professional quality videos for me. But check this out. I want to show you again on Fiverr. I went and did a search live action YouTube video with script, because you're going to be able to give them a script also. Okay, so check these prices out. $60, $100, $150, $235. Okay, you can go ahead and sell this kind of service. Okay, and you could make $60 to $235 for a video that you can sell. and it literally takes you under 5 minutes to make the video. Okay, you're gonna use 3 different AI tools in order to create these videos and sell them for a huge profit. All right, and again, you're gonna have my list of marketplaces that you can go ahead and sell these things elsewhere. So you're not limited just to Fiverr. You're gonna have all kind of other places to go ahead and start selling these kinds of videos and make even more money. And again, the video I'm going to give you explaining how to do this is going to come with full PLR rights. You can sell it, you can give it away, you can use it as your own bonus. The whole 9 yards is included. Okay. So, and the whole business, by the way, $17 for Alessandro's course, plus my 2 brand new video courses, which I just created. I've never sold it before. These are not rehash stuff. This is brand new stuff. I'm literally going to show you step by step exactly what I'm doing in order to make my videos. Like literally step by step exactly what I do. Okay, everything is going to be shown to you. All right, I'm going to show you everything. And let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here for Alessandro's course. And see here, he's going to do everything for you, from creating your images to actually putting it together. And again, he's going to show you how to compile the whole thing. And then he's going to tell you to outsource making a cover on Fiverr. Okay, you don't need that. Like literally, I'm going to give you my course on how to make your own covers. That's going to come with it, so you don't have to worry about it. But everything else is included over here. Exactly how to do this. And this stuff sells for huge money also. You can go ahead and sell it on Kindle Direct Publishing, or you can custom make these for people on Fiverr and all the other marketplaces I'm going to give you. You can go ahead and sell these things and make a ton of money from this kind of stuff. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you rock. This is awesome stuff because there's so much money to be made from this. The guy behind me, if he wasn't painting, he'd be giving a tip of his hat also. But definitely tip of my hat to you, Alessandro. Grab this one, especially with my bonuses. You're going to love this.